Bollocks, I'm in the wrong account. Just a bit, Finn, just a bit. I'm practicing. The gold trade, shouted earlier, is coming into play. Bing, bang, boo. And that Aussie trade on the other side, it's doing quite well as well. So, as a happy boy, as a happy boy. I do. Not today. I've had a little bit on the DAX. I'm just looking at gold today. Doing Aussie dollar. Bit of oil. It's done quite well. Where are we at? Pull that across. There you go. Happy days. So I'm pretty much done for the day. Just kind of keeping an eye on this prop for 5%ers. I needed to get up to 250, 260. Anything above that's good. And I'm happy. Goody gumdrops. So let's have a look. But today I'm just sort of playing with this mobile app thing, seeing if I can get it to work to kind of help the scruffs out a little bit. No, I had it on a buy today. Not sure whether you'll be able to see this. There it is there. It's a buy, but it was a risky buy. So I was very, very careful with it today. It's dropping back, buggy. Okay. Not to worry, not to worry. It's not dead in the water yet. It's not looking good. That's the worst thing in the world, where it goes right next to target and then just pulls away. But good thing to do. Just kill it off. Re-enter the market if you have to. You only lose a couple of pips. But I'd rather be in the blue than in the red. Everybody's asking. Whoa, that's me. Right. I'm trying to figure out how to do this landscape, guys. I might have cocked it up because I'm not the most techie in the world. Let's have a look. Put that back. Yeah, that's better. There we go. Looks like that's gonna roll up the target. None of my other orders were triggered with this, so just have to sit out with that. Not far away from where I want it to be. Right, let's have a look. Oh, James. Just testing today, so don't be excited. If you're interested, Tama, check the Scruffy squad out. There's so much behind that's not in the public eye there. Finny, who's just above, is in the group, and I'm sure they'll tell you. Or drop in the Telegram that I set up for you guys. Again, it's free access, and they'll tell you. If you're looking for books, look at Trading in the Zone. It's really good. And also The Art of War. It's more about your mindset. Too many people look for a strategy, and its mindset is far more superior than strategy. You just got to read the conditions, take a common sense approach. When the money's offered, take it. You can always re-enter, and when you're being paid, stop. Best advice I can give. So, right, where are we at? So, yeah. When that figure hits 250, I'm going to pull it out unless it surges up. Everybody shotgun. Do 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 do. Now, normally at this point, guys, I'd be singing my head off. But because of copyright, you can't hear it. But if I was singing, it would be that. Toto, Africa. Because you've got to have a bit of a sing-song. Right. Is this going to hit 250? Come on. Give us a break. That one's just tittering around doing nothing. Might kill that out, actually. Seems to be struggling. This is the Aussie US, by the way. It is holding on that level and it's struggling to break it. But I've had the money out of it already, which you should be able to see in just a tick. There we are. I've plenty of money out of that, and there we go. All right, so that's all right. So I'm really just concentrating on this side, and then I'm done for the day. Enjoy the warm weather. Okay, this is getting better. Come on, give it a surge. Nothing wrong with waiting. It's a nightmare. Where are we at? There you go. Right, okay. That's the link, Tama. I've been riding shotgun. Do 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 do. And of course, you've got to have coffee. Come on. Not quite. I'm in the group all the time, and I do live streams regular, showing the guys what it is I do. Each morning I break down what I'm doing. But if you want a one-to-one, go on the blog and you'll be able to see what I do. But there is Rogue Plus, where you'll get a discount off one-to-ones, or you can save the credit ups and have a free one-to-one. So it's like every 6 credits, you get a free one-to-one. Sorry guys, I'm trying to pay attention to the screen, the charts at the moment. So I'm humming and hawing whether or not to knock this out. You're not kidding, Pete. I scream at it all the time. This is doing my boxing today. Never mind. Tough markets. Doesn't mean to say you can't profit though, Pete. Just like what I keep telling you guys, you know, less is more, and don't be too ambitious. Although I think I might have been with this. I'll give it another 3 minutes, see what happens, and then start having a look. Come on, just a little surge. Right, I'll leave it there. That can make the decision for me if it surges. Well, I've got no sympathy for the Hobbit. He's sitting watching football, the big girl's blouse. I'll be having a very alcoholic drink this afternoon. Winky's off at the hairdresser's, so she'll be in a good mood. So that means I'm not going to get beaten to death this afternoon. So I might as well just bake to death with a beer in the garden. Okay. Right, so I've taken some profit out, guys, so that it's not taking everything away. You can put extra orders in here to come back into it. In other words, build your position back up, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll get a little pending order underneath. That's it. So what I've done there is I've taken some money out using the moving average as a bounce point to add in sort of extra orders. So there's the bounce point, there's the base where it can sort of gonna oscillate between, so it'll come down, pick the spread up, and then back in again. All right, in other words, keep your order above the moving average. It's kind of what I'm doing there. The Aussie dollar is starting to recede backwards slightly, but it's risk free, so I'm not bothered about that. Done quite well out of this today anyway. Already got money out of it, so I can live with that. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm moving it to a 50% fib line, and then I'll just monitor it myself. Come on. Don't you know I've got a coffee to drink? Come on. Give it that little bit welly. Well, I'm pretty much always about. I try to only do 2 a month because obviously my wages comes off the screen. But you'll always find my diary on sort of scruffytrader.com. It's like paint dry in this, isn't it, at times, when it's slow and it's just ticking along. Bloody awful. Dropped a bit of a clanger lane when I set it up. It asked me which way to do it and I wasn't really paying attention. So it's just off the phone. It is portrait instead of landscape. So it's me, I dropped a clanger here. The next time I do it, I'll figure it out. I'm just playing with it today. It's just a bit of an experiment. Oh, for the love of God, come on. I've been riding shotgun, doobie doobie doo doo. Non-alcohol Guinness. Don't think there's any part of that sentence is appealing, apart from chilling. Well, plus side is, Pete, I've already been paid out of this. I've been paid off the other side as well. I can kill both of them now, and I am well up for the day. I may well do that, because this afternoon I want to spend some time with Joanne, and why not? Oh no, it's the loss of balance that I like. It helps me forget about the world. Because at times I think we live in a shockingly horrible world, and it does grieve me from time to time. At the moment, this side is gold, and this side's Aussie dollar. Just something that I said I would do for the scruffs this morning. Zoom in a bit. That's better. Camera something to focus on. Okay. Well, my granddad used to have a great saying, and it was, the desire to be a politician is the exact reason you shouldn't be one. And he's right. It's an old saying, very old saying. They're all bent. I don't care who they are. I don't trust any of them. Come on, just give it that little, just a little push. That's all we want. It's playing hard to get, isn't it? Right, it's coming up 1:15. There's news events this afternoon at 1:30 that I don't want to be caught in. So I'm going to be looking to shut these down. I am in profit, so I'm not really too fussed. And that's another thing, because at about 1 o'clock the market will start spiking about, but it will spike about erratically rather than being predicted, because it's a news event at 1:30. And the best advice I can give to any of you that are listening to this is, if you know it's coming, just sit out of it. Don't try and predict what's going on. Let the dust settle, and then if you want to trade the aftermath, brilliant. But if not, just stay well out of it. So it's 1:15. Okay, I'm going to shut this down. No doubt it'll go green the second that I do. It often does. There it is. Right, so I'm out of gold. Not really worried. 370 off gold this morning, so that's pretty good. Live with that. And then on this side, I'm going to be looking to kill this out as well, for the exact same reason. I've done okay this morning with this. There you are, you can see that. Been chugging along, carving out what I can. Job's done. So that's it, guys. This Aussie trade, I have been recording it this morning, just to follow up what I did with the scruffs, and you'll see it sometime this afternoon, the breakdown of the chart, where I got in, and etc. But there you go. So catch you all soon, guys.